Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to link to an email in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Click on Login. Click on this website button below the website you want to add a link to an email into. Go to Pages. Select the page you want to work on. Let's add it on this contact page. Click on this edit button from the top. Now I'm in the editing mode, and let's say that I want to add a link to an email for this email address. All I need to do is to select my text first, then click on this link icon, and from this list select email. Click on fill in your email address, for example ben@bensexperience.com. You can also add a default subject. And also a text, for example, thank you, hey Ben. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. After that, close this window. As you can see, my selected text now turned into a link. Don't forget to click on this save button to not lose your editing. Now let's check my page live. This is my website live, and let's click on my new link. A new Gmail window pops up with your email address, default subject line, and also the message or the part of the message. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.